Nermala Kenyam Kanadi ala content barwani lingua same Nuer online TV channel biya kamal anda manduni chankwasnya ka biya nongwachame take a lar mijidit me bokona ling ka kwi party ka ki bon mijidit mi pai chakre wajja ka South Sudan and party namo party mi bi korter ke kuma kirme yadit Padna machayar yalaka ko be shang tin jag dial tin togre wi ka South Sudan be kar yalaka jen party mijidit ki bon mijidit magorno biya jaling ken yam bana jaling ka tok nat ka kore bana joling ka tok English ka do badan en shikan warga mo shikan gor ka je en biya kamal en wale shangaro ka pay baro ron kina dangaro wi jen dangaro de dich ani kot position e dial kontila rwani la ka len ka gwasme bana jome bana jaling ka do and dan en cha jenon ka je mi jiram jidit ku subscribe ka ku notification bell ku je twain ko me take lar mi shibaraj ba shamala shube gwasna na titin bana rajme bana je chu linkel ka do bana je to ka je shalado shibon dial tin lokamen let kirma yadi de bon dial ke bon dial shiguridan mat kel shiguridan mat ka bon mishali coalition of South Sudan opposition movement kan bon dial to tin cha kirma yadit cha jalok shikan rodian mat ka jan bona kelamo Ramadan la spokesperson tajanen yanamo Dickson Gatluak pane roantin kontin jiken galat kajen larame banajelin kel wana wa mad boni toto ke bon dialen kontin chaman let kim yadi de shaje look sigurodian mat kel ko bikerik tin to kre wi ka South Sudan chet ka chojen chush kanat boss Canada kana sha dak ne diare wi ka South Sudan kum kirmi yadit bikena realaka ke bikena woj ji loiden je jada longa tin ko na lat ko dian tamra wi ka South Sudan gwal mitela mal manon ke kume marwai ke kir en bon ke party namo lap ke je ka shanka janjok Shanka jan diok pai bakal ka jom shalat chen diok pai bakal ron kina dangro wid jan dangro wid diech jan shenge dan nyurken gaja ka shukan bon ken diale kana mat gwaskel shibona mo neiti siasi ni te ka bon ke party ni to goal chikaro dia role ka chikaro dia role gwaskel jan kwale cholo CSSOM Shideni ken dial shikaren mat gwaskel kan bontin charodian rol gwaskel shikana mat gwakelen ngonena biken kor biken terkel dini ken dial ko kan pan dial to kan all the political parties tin cha gagrar kum kirmi yadi kete lokan obo wenyam chorin mat gwaskel kan dial ka lokan madana latke kum kirmi yadit kana bikin yin ke bika kor bika ter ke kirmi yadit ko bikan mal bika restore malan cha look kirmi yadit no kana kirmi yadit logo mal no ko kuje mo gone yobne mal bne non kajan party ne me bne mal bne non re wicha ka South Sudan ga joran jikana lad Raman sha kam bom ke kwar and sha kwan la spokesperson ke Ramadana sha kam racha ka bon and shal ke CSSOM General Dickson Gatluak Jock Ramadana sha kwan la spokesperson General Dickson Gatluak Jock Nyuot no ban warga dan cikana gorban jegu kel ka kore cheladan go bi bon ke party CSSOM bika kor bikana terke kum kirmi yadit ko nakir mi yadi nakana no kana lokir mi yadi logo jano be mal be jatay ka kujamo shibon CSSOM rode realeka ko bika shong nene dial tin contentere wecha ka South Sudan bikane restore ke bikane non ke bikane dial kam shuken no ne dial tin cha jaga shuja kuma kirmi yadi ke ko mentere wecha ka juba ko chelu kono ba mal be jenong ke bene dial content rewi ka South Sudan baloken baga jako beketet ko kuje mo bene kor mo bene terke kirma yadit ko bene mal bene no kani en bon ke parliament chicken shak no kana lada kalwar kana parne ne dial silrami banka jorede shike kuma kirma yadit chicken ku germi di dalon ko ruac na ka bom ka bene dial ka bom mishir ran right there mi shajalok beje yen ke beje na ke beje jako ko disappear ka do mi shagwi ke jeno do mi gwa no and ka kuje mo kirma yadit chala nandang nyamre wich ka South Sudan kire wiki juba mishi jode chi jalok ke chi elarno mladu mo she tok chigala no mo bijak lok kirma yadi logo binal bika raja lor ke brand broad express ka jawanda na dong der lar mikte shuja chikana laden go bika chong kan ne dial tin kon tintere wika South Sudan no bikan chong ne dial kam ne dial ko shana chaga bichenga jek no en kuma kirma yadi te men cha lat joje ne dial men gat keneti dit kanaka ka chere medana ci togre winten ko kene ngai kon ka no en no mo shejen kwaren gorke ji South Sudan no kwar banat nak mi janre kwara ka logo jan go ba mal pa jenong gwana kwar mi per na chicken jomo chicken lat cha jawlat den go en bona me lokano cha male cha tan la male cha tan kirmi yadi kene da machar cha ja yar akir kene mi jaga long chi mogwa en male cha tan karon kin dang redual badak jen liep ko jelong ko dong de jatan du no shikir mi yadi cha jagor ka kirmi yadi jaram dana te long ko dara mala mo dar jatan ne dia liep ko ne jano bi mala mo be ben du no shikir mi yadi cha jagor wila ne dial ko kujamo kirma yadi tira me ba malbino kirma yadi ba yig duine je ke ba yig woni je ko meram long mala ngume de tok gore jano ba mal ba je restore ba peace ba jako ba go prevail re wi ka South Sudan ka do badana gore je ka je kuma kirma yadi ngare jen ka tek ji South Sudan gwas mi teleger minen ke re wich ka South Sudan ka runtongwan chikan jomo chikan lat cha jome cha jalat Dickson Gatluak Ramdan la spokesperson re wich ka South Sudan bana jome bana je kuling ka tok English ka do bran chikan warga me chikan gor ka jemenen koname. A major political development has taken place in South Sudan. Several opposition groups have formed a new coalition aiming to promote federal democracy and address the country's ongoing political and humanitarian challenges. The new group, called the Coalition of South Sudan Opposition Movement, CSSOM, was officially launched in a press statement on Monday. The coalition includes political and army factions that have been active in the country political landscape during the announcement. General Dickson Gatluak Jock Nyuot, a spokesperson for the party, said the group share a common goal of working together to bring about peaceful and democratic change in South Sudan. He stated the leadership of CSSOM is committed to the principle of federal democracy and the right of all South Sudanese people. The coalition statement raised concern about government and the country humanitarian situation. It highlighted the challenge facing citizens, including displacement, insecurity, and limited access to services. The people of South Sudan are going through a difficult time. We call for coordinated effort to protect civilians, support their dignity, and promote justice. The coalition say the coalition will be guided by a newly formed Central Command, CENTCOM, which will oversee both political and organizational strategies during this transitional period. The announcement comes as South Sudan continues to face humanitarian difficulties, political tension, and effort by various stakeholders to strengthen peace and stability in the country. Chicken jo me chicken a lot natin content cha warga matany jenen yen shoot ken gwasamo ani bana je kala dien nyaka kaniti ko ken biateka mal bye bye.